Hey everyone, I made it into Ross. There is a few Christmas items, not that much. Let's see, these are $10. Yes, Santa. You also have the elf. And look, they even have this snowman, and those are kind of cute. Okay, $7. We have a cake carrier, has trees, they're plaid. We have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas. And of course, nutcracker. Oh, these are $4. I was like, what is it? They're blinged out salt and pepper shakers, which is kind of funny because you could buy like the plain ones in the Dollar Tree, and you know how the Dollar Tree sells like that bling stick-on stuff. You can maybe DIY that, but this is new here. So all-purpose, $4. It comes with a little scoop. This one's $4 too. Coffee and more container. And acre hawking. I'm trying to look for anything more Christmassy, but I'm not really finding it. It's actually all bunched in the Halloween and fall. It looks like a few mats here. So we have Just Be Merry, like a Disney one. That Mr. Christmas is actually quite cute. And it looks like they have some ornaments. Oh, they're all the same. They're $5.99. For gift card holders, Merry Christmas. These are $2. So somewhat similar in Walmart. There's a snowman right here. A little mailbox. It says, I'm not too sure, but 20s. Let me move this one. Okay, this one's $35. You get 3 glass containers for your candles. Let me move one and pull one out. $20. It just says Merry Christmas on it. And a lot of these felt baskets. Okay. Let me see. These are 8. And little wooden snowflake ornaments for $3.99. It's another one, just a simple one. Some boxes here. Merry Christmas. Oh, has snowflakes on the inside.